Hi there, and in this video I'm gonna talk about trichomonas. Uh, uh, First of all, you must know uh, geographical disruption of trichomonas. Uh, this is a cosmopolite. You can meet this parasite everywhere in all continents of our planet. Uh, and as doctors, you must know that in human organism we can meet three types of trichomonas. First type, Trichomona vaginalis. This is a parasite, and the last two species of Trichomonas, there are Trichomonas hominis and Trichomonas tenax. These two species are not parasite. They can't call any diseases in our organism. Okay, what's the next? Morphology. Trichomona vaginalis is pear-shaped with a short undulation membrane. It is about Trichomona vaginalis. This is Trichomona who live in vagina. Okay, Trichomona vaginalis, as I said, is pear-shaped with a short undulation membrane. As you can see, this is a short undulation membrane. This undulation membrane is long to the middle of the body of this organism, lined with a flagellum and four anterior flagella. And this flagella is a free without undulation membrane. Okay, the organism moves with a characteristic wobbling and rotation motion. And we have a photo of Trichomona vaginalis. As you can see, this is the undulation membrane from top of this organism to the middle. We can see a anterior flagellus, four anterior flagella. We can see, or we can't see, but somewhere here we can find a free flagellum, and we can see, as in this figure, axostyle. Okay, and this is a Trichomona vaginalis. Another Trichomona you can meet in human organism. You can find in human organism. This is a Trichomona hominis. You can meet this Trichomona inside our digestive system, and this is a Trichomona hominis, and it has a different morphology from the Trichomona vaginalis. And as you can see, it has a very long undulation membrane, full body from the top to the end of this organism. It has, like a Trichomona vaginalis, free flagellum with undulation membrane. And as you can see, there is 1, 2, 3, and 4 anterior flagella, and in a photo of this you can find this anterior flagella. And you can see a nucleus, and you can see a short axostyle. As you remember, axostyle of Trichomona vaginalis is more bigger than more longer than the axostyle of free part of axostyle, free part of the axostyle, out of the body of this organism. Okay. Axostyle of Trichomona vaginalis, the free part of axostyle, I mean free part of the axostyle, is longer than the free part of axostyle of Trichomona hominis. This is very important, this knowledge very important for the diagnostic of Trichomonas, to have not mistake. Okay, what's the next? Life cycle. You must know life cycle of this parasite. It's so easy life cycle. How we can get this parasite? We can get this parasite of from sexual intercourse. From females can get from males, males from can get from females, males from males, and females from females. By sex. Okay. Infective stage of life cycle is trophozoid. This organism hasn't only trophozoid life form, and outside the human body can't hasn't possibility to live, quickly die outside the body. Okay, and what is more, this organism multiples by binary fission from top to the end, by longitudinal binary fission. Okay. The next one is pathogenicity, what you must know. First is infection of the vagina, or infection of infection of vagina is established when its acidity is lower to pH 5 to 7. Normal pH is 4 to 5. The infection may be asymptomatic, or the patient suffers from irritation, vaginal discharge, which may be accompanied by vulval itching, odor of dysuria, and there may be uteritis and prostatitis in male organisms. Okay, and the diagnosis is complete from examination of vaginal, prostatic, or urinary discharge, or sedimented urine. Control of Trichomona vaginalis is a common parasite of both males and females. Infection rates vary greatly, but may be quite high, 4% or higher. Transmission is by sexual, as I said, intercourse, but contaminated towels, douche equipment, examination Instruments and other objects may be responsible to some new infections. For example, you as a doctor can infect another human as how it called this profession, doctor of doctor of female vagina. I'm not I forget the name of this profession. And you can use one instrument from one to second patient, and you can infect the second patient from the first patient. Okay, most infection in both sexes are asymptomatic or mild. Mechanical protection should be used during intercourse until the infection is eradicated in both parents.